In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a motor. First thing we're going to do is remove these motor cover bolts. In some cases, they'll be on the side here, and in other cases, they'll be located on the bottom. Once you have the case off, you're going to remove this one bolt that holds the motor on. Be sure to note if there's a spacer, because you're going to want to put that spacer back in when you put the new motor on. And also, you're going to want to unplug the motor from the harness. To remove the motor, you're going to pull directly towards the center of the car. Before attaching the new motor, you're going to want to put the harness back to the motor. So we'll slide this on. If you need to remove one of these, placing a screwdriver there and twisting 90 degrees is the best way. But now that we have this on, we'll go ahead and set the motor back on. We'll reinstall the spacer that came with it. In some cases, there won't be a spacer, so you won't have to worry about that. Be sure to plug the harness back in. Now you can go ahead and test it. If you're happy with it, put the cover back on. Now that the cover's back on, let's just make sure we tuck the carpet back in. We're now complete.